I was born in Cameroon, commonly referred to as Africa in miniature. Seeing the different kinds of climates, plants, and even diseases in my society made me want to understand what was driving all those different things that I was observing. My name is Bonglack. I'm a 2022 Schmidt Science Fellow. I pivoted from viral oncology to statistical genetics. I'm at the University of Cambridge working on understanding the genetic drivers of chronic diseases in ancestrally diverse global populations for better, more equitable targeted therapies. My research involves looking at the relationship between genetically linked nutritional deficiencies and diseases in diverse global populations. For my PhD, I studied how viruses cause cancer. Now, I've actually zoomed out a little bit and I'm looking at a population level to be able to understand disease better. I'm particularly interested in studying the role of iron deficiency and iron deficiency anemia because Africa has the greatest global burden of iron deficiency. When people hear the word iron deficiency, they often think of nutritional iron deficiency, and this is true. However, I'm really keen to know whether there are any genetic variants and whether or not they influence the risk for getting different cardiometabolic diseases later on in life. The main thing that really inspired my journey into research was losing my dad to pancreatic cancer. It was probably the hardest, most difficult thing that I've ever gone through. Seeing how the treatments that he was on affected his body, affected his health, and ultimately led to his passing really sparked this fire in me. Less than 5% of all genomic studies and clinical trials are conducted in people of African descent. And so part of my research involves a collaboration with Professor Segun Fatumo, who leads a number of genomic studies across the continent of Africa. We hope that we can link pieces of data together in a way that can give us insight into the unique needs of these populations that we're studying. I understand firsthand the need for the kind of research that I'm doing. These people matter. Their lives are just as valuable as the lives of those in other parts of the world. It would mean the world to me to see the research that I'm doing actually impact people's lives.